Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today Kenedi is creating some chrome aura blooming gel ghost nails. So we've done 4 today, so you can see a little bit of a mix and match set. We're going to start off with serious black as a base, and we'll just pop 2 coats of that on every nail. Next, we're just going to pop some top coat on 3 of those nails, and once that's cured we'll be able to go in with a buffing block, and then it means that it'll make it much easier for when we're doing our aura effect using the airbrush. Once that's cured for 60 seconds, just go in with that buffing block and make sure it's nice and evenly buffed. You don't want any ridges left in it. So we're just using serious black again in the airbrush. So what this does is it means that when we put the chrome on, it won't stick to the areas that have been buffed, but it will stick to the areas that have got the fresh gel polish on it. And don't forget to wear your masks and your gloves when you're doing your airbrushing. So as you can see, we've got this beautiful fuchsia pink chrome, and that's going just on our cured serious black gel polish. So it should just stick to this area. You might find that you need to just go in and buff around the areas just to make sure it fully covers. Give that a good dust off so you don't have any particles left on there. And then we're going in on the next nail with this blue colour as well, which is really, really pigmented. And you're just going to do exactly the same again. And for the third nail, we're going in with this purple chrome. And if you want in any of these products, there will be linked down below in an easy ordering link, because we don't make it difficult for you. So for the 4th nail, what we've done is we've just left the serious black gel polish. We haven't buffed it or anything like that, and we're just going in with the 3 chrome powders and kind of making an ombre effect down the nail. Like I say, make sure that's fully buffed in and give it a wipe off with a brush. So we're just going to seal all of that in with the top coat and cure for 60 seconds. Ideally with chrome powders you want to put on a couple of layers of top coat, just because it is a little bit more delicate and is likely to scratch if you don't. So we'll just do 1 layer now and we'll go back over the top at the end. So next we're going in with some blooming gel, and what we're going to be doing is creating almost like a French tip effect but with ghosts. So we're going to be popping this all over the nail, and remember with blooming gel, don't cure it before you're adding in your extra elements. So we'll use Snow White and we'll use a little dotting tool, and we're going to pop on a little dot of the white and then just drag it down just like that. And that's going to make our ghost effect. And as you'll see over the next few seconds, it'll start to spread out just with that blooming gel being underneath. Once that's cured for 60 seconds, we're going to go back in with serious black, and we're going to be making the eyes and the little mouth. So again, just with a teeny tiny dotting tool, we're popping on the eyes, and then you want to put a dot for the mouth and you'll drag that down too, so they look a little bit spooky. So we're just going to be doing the same again on the next nail, using our blooming gel first. And for this one, we're going to be doing the ghosts all over the nail. So again, just using Snow White and a dotting tool, popping that on and dragging it down and letting the blooming gel do its thing. Kenedi's just going in and popping some of those little bubbles just so they don't set when the nail gets cured. Once that's cured for 60 seconds, going back in with Serious Black and we're just going to be doing the eyes and the mouths again. What's cute about these little ghosts is they all look like they have their own little personalities because all of their eyes and all the mouths are just a little bit different. Once that's cured, we're going back in with blooming gel and we're going in with the other nails and just finishing those off with some French tip style ghosties. Now that's cured, we're just going in with top coat over all of the nails and this will just finish them all off, seal them all in and make them super glossy. And there you have our Aura Chrome Cute Blooming Gel Ghosties. Tell us what you think down below, let us know what you want to see next, and if you want any of the products they'll be linked below.